brush your hair from your face and the way you smile.
I can honestly say that I'm the luckiest man in the world to be standing here married to you. I love everything about you, Chloe. Your beauty, your kindness, your independence, and even your sassiness.
Thank you for your unconditional love, for being there to celebrate my highest highs and carry me out of my lowest lows, for being my protector, confidant, and above all else, my best friend.
But most of all, I love how you've always been the most supportive person of me. The successes I've accomplished in life, I owe it to you. You drive me to be a better person.
You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life.
Thank you for always being your authentic, charismatic, kind, and hilarious self. Your warmth is contagious and you bring light into the lives of everyone you meet.
I'm not going to stand up here and promise you the world, Chloe, because that's not realistic. But darling, I will promise you this. Until the day I die, I will always be there for you. I will always love you, and I will always look after you to the best of my abilities.
That I can't escape. Even when I close my eyes, I feel you breathe next to me. It's everything. I see you. You're a galaxy of stars, beating on my heart.
So today, Caleb and Chloe, the challenge for you guys, will we see you in the twilight years living out the promises you make today? Choosing to love each other, sacrificing for each other.
Chloe, with this ring I wed you. With all I am and all I have, I honour you.
'Cause you got my eyes in full.
Caleb, with this ring I wed you. With all that I am and all that I have, I honour you.
I now declare them to be husband and wife. Caleb, you may kiss your bride.
Y'all ready to go? Come on. Let's do it. Y'all ready now? I'm making my move. Better stand back, 'cause I'm coming through. Can't hold me down, can't bottle this heat. I'm burning up like 1,000 degrees.
Sonia and I are very proud of your achievements, your accomplishments. We've both loved you, watching you grow into a young woman you are today. Caleb. Over the years I've witnessed how you have loved and cherished Chloe, treated her with the utmost respect, and have been there for when she's needed you. This makes the handover of my role from me to you so much easier, because I know Chloe will be loved.
Chloe. I'm not going to rip on you, partially because I don't think it's my job. You're the bride, but more realistically, I know you get to speak after me and you were far too quick-witted for me to make any jokes. But it's been great getting to know you through Caleb. I love what a kind and genuine person you are, who truly cares for other people. And I've just seen you bring out the best in Caleb, so thank you for that.
My promise to you and Chloe today as you start your married life is that I will continue to pray for both of you every day.
I'm never gonna stop until I'm on top. I'm gonna do what I do. I'm making moves.
Just on behalf of our friend group here, we love and adore you guys. Like, you look after us when we come up to Brizzy, go to festivals, whatnot. But no, we couldn't be happier to be here and share this day with you. Once again, thanks for inviting us, and thanks for inviting us to share this day with you.